Located in Platteville, Wisconsin, Dewey's Tire Repair offers a large range of vehicle repair services. We sell tires, service vehicles, provide roadside assistance, and on-the-farm tire repair. We service just about any vehicle, including cars, trucks, dump trucks, campers, motorhomes, lawnmowers, trailers, and farm implements. With summer in full swing, trust Dewey's Tire Repair for all your farm calls. When you need your farm vehicles in the field, working properly, call the team at Dewey's Tire Repair, and we will come to you for all your vehicle service needs. We are proud to carry all tire brands and on-the-farm tire repair. Dewey's Tire Repair supplies free inspections and pressure checks to ensure complete safety for our customers. We also offer roadside assistance outside of regular business hours for your convenience. For more information on our quality services, visit www.deweystirerepair.com or call 608-348-5456. Stop by our shop located off Highway 81 West and experience the best place to take a leak.